Okay, do you want to know what's inside your body and your toilet?
No.
Don't answer that. Yeah.
No, not really.
A new health tracker could do that for you, I guess.
Yeah, there's some medical benefits to this, I'm sure, but it is a little bit of a strange story. We will say that right up front. Dur Israr talked to the head of design at Kohler, where the company has launched a tool to help you better understand your stool.
This is the first of its kind. This definitely is the first of its kind.
Inside the confines of your bathroom,
one of the things that people use the bathroom for is health and wellness.
You can wipe your worries away.
We believe that every day people flush away valuable health data.
At least that's what Raphael Rexach's hope is with Kohler's new health tracker, Dekoda.
So you pull it and you place it, and it's very secure.
The tracker is clamped down to the toilet and a sensor points directly at the bowl. Users can activate Dekoda with this remote.
So each user could have their own fingerprint, and it securely ties their data to the app.
Kohler says in just 1 to 2 minutes, information about your gut health and hydration will be uploaded directly onto your phone. It's $600 and a monthly subscription for an app that tracks any health concerns for each family member.
So you could have up to 6 people join and use the same device within your household.
Each person has a duty to take care of their health. Rexach says he hopes with Dekoda, people can make meaningful changes to their diets and lifestyle.
People are really interested in understanding their bodies at a deeper level.
Reporting in Kohler, Dur Israr, CBS 58 News.